Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tess. If you are new here, no, it's not short for anything. It's not Tessa, it's not Teresa, it's just Tess. So today is my closet clean out. Sorry the lighting's bad right now, but my intro is gonna be so short it doesn't even matter. I'm just gonna get right into the video. But yes, it's embarrassing putting the before of my closet on the internet, but honestly, my friend helped me so much and we spent all day doing this. I'm still going through and selling clothes, giving clothes to Goodwill, and yeah, it's a major process, but like I can't thank her enough for helping me. And yeah, I'll just show you guys everything we did. It'll be mainly a voiceover, and let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so Lindsay is about to see my closet for the first time. Eek, I'm a little scared, but let's just, let's rip the band-aid off. Let's do it.
Okay.
Okay, so what do you think?
I hope you're committed. Hope you're committed. We're on this is another level.
Okay, yeah, there's some stuff on the floor down there. Sorry about that.
So as far as getting everything out, let's go.
Okay, so this is where we're at 30 minutes in. We're taking every single thing out, and we have piles of what kind of clothes are what. Lindsay is trying on the clothes as she pulls them out of the closet. And then we also have piles of clothes we're getting rid of, shoes, blankets, towels, other stuff we're getting rid of. So yeah, making progress. Update. Pretty much cleaned out this side. Gonna hit these shoes now and continue on with this side. Okay, I just wanted to point out that these sweatpants are from Boohoo, and I bought them because they have a drawstring, and that's what I like about them, but the drawstring is fake. So I'm just warning you guys, be careful about ordering any sort of sweatpants from Boohoo. Don't recommend. These are way too big, and I can't even make them smaller, so. So we've been at it for an hour. We've got our piles. She's trying on my the Rudolph slippers. This is what the closet's looking like.
Another hat.
Okay, so this is my closet all cleaned out. It looks so much bigger now. Wow. Just left my nail polish rack right there. Okay, so first we're organizing the crop tops, and we're doing that on the floor of the closet. We're gonna organize them by cut. So long sleeve, short sleeve, and tanks. So that's what we're doing.
We're gonna turn them all the same way. So that hanger.
Is that really the only tank top crops I have? I need to go to the store. Chocolate chip pumpkin bread for our organizer Lindsay today. You gotta provide your organizer some good grub. Rule number 1, give them energy. So then we put all 2-piece outfits together and we use these hangers, which these hangers, I got all of these hangers from Home Goods. I didn't realize that that's what this was for, but Lindsay knew, so you know, she helped us out. And we just put all of our 2-piece outfits together. And then over here we have all of our crops and our short skirts. And these are organized patterns, jeans, black and white, black, and then black leather. So now we're moved on to tanks. So we're going through those now. And are these in style anymore? This was like so 2016 for me. This is all I wore. Really? These cutouts. Yeah. Okay. Soy sauce.
Oh no.
Soy. That splattered soy.
Splattered soy.
That splattered soy from the sushi lunches. It always gets me on my white shirt days. It's crazy how much bigger my closet looks, but then like already with clothes in it and it's already looking not as big.
I know. It's so nice when there's nothing in it.
It is.
But it already looks so much better.
It looks so much better.
And this little section's gonna look so good.
It's gonna be such easy access for the things I wear the most.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so Lindsay decided to add all my crew neck sweatshirts to the comfort section. So we've done that, and then we're gonna just keep all my hoodies folded and probably put them in this corner right here. Hey you guys, it's voiceover Tess here. Before I show you my giveaway pile, I did want to preface this with with a few things. 1, I've had most of these clothes since I was in college or right after. 2, I obviously buy all my own clothes. 3, I don't even buy nice clothes. And 4, I wear the absolute crap out of my clothes. So I just don't want you guys jumping to any assumptions, thinking I'm getting rid of a lot of nice designer items that I'm taking for granted or anything like that. Obviously, ones that are in good condition I'm still giving to Goodwill or selling. Of course, I just don't want you jumping to any conclusions. I always joke I would be the worst person to rob because I literally own nothing of high value. And I recognize I'm still luckier than the vast majority of the world for being able to buy all the dang clothes I have bought over the years. Like, goodness, I know I'm so lucky. And this is everything we're getting rid of. Leo is impressed. Okay, so this is how the completed look is. We got the sweatshirts there. Shoes. We were able to put these drawers back here. I put camera equipment in this top one, swimsuit cover-ups in the middle one, and then in the bottom is just like some earmuffs and thick socks. And we have some Halloween stuff right here. And then we have the rest of our clothes. Purses, beach towels, more shoes in that bin, lights, and it is crazy. The fact that we were able to get everything on the floor under clothes, but where you could still see it, was like ideal. I just had too much like sticking out places, and it was too hard to keep track of everything on the floor, but now I can see my floor. And it looks beautiful. We also kind of redid the door right here. I got rid of one belt. I don't have many belts, and then we just did like slippers and slides and sandals and some flats on the door. And yeah, I think that wraps up the end. Look at all these hangers. It feels good though. It feels so good.